Hello student, today we will continue with the chapter triangle. Today we will study about the theorems. We will start with the first theorem. The first theorem is the sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degree. Today we will prove this theorem. In previous classes, so many times you use this property that the sum of three sides of interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Today we will solve that why we use this theorem. First, we will do a construction. In this construction, what we will do? We will draw a line. We will name this line L, which is parallel to BAL, and this point as you can name it E. Okay. Draw a line L parallel to BC. We will draw a line L parallel to BC. Now we will name these angles 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will name this angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now proof. How we will prove this theorem? As you know, BAE parallel to BC, or you can say that DA parallel to BC. So angle 4 will equals to angle 1. Angle 4 is equals to angle 1. Alternate interior angle. Now next is, in the similar way, angle 5 equals to angle 2. Again, alternate interior angle. Why we are saying that these are the alternate interior angle? As you know, if two lines are parallel and this is a transversal, this angle is equal to this angle will equal to this. By which property? Alternate interior angle. When two lines are parallel and one transversal is intersect those two parallel lines, then we have a property of alternate interior angle. Now next is, as you know, angle we can write angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degree. Why we are writing this? Angle 4, angle 3 and 5 is equals to 180 degree. Linear pair. They are linear pair. Now next is angle 4. For angle 4 we can write angle 1, and for angle instead of angle 5 we can write angle 2. From, you can name this equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 you can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. Hence proof. We have to prove this. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180. Sum of interior angle, these are the interior angles, is equals to 180 degree. Now we will do next theorem after this. The theorem is, you already, I think you know about this theorem. A, B, C, D. If I produce this here, this BC to produce to D, the theorem is, second, what is theorem? The sum of opposite interior angle, sum of opposite interior angle is equal to exterior exterior angle, or you can say that exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angle. Again we will name these angle. You can name this angle as 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that angle 4 equals to angle 1 plus angle 3. Sum of exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angle. These are the interior angle. This 2 is adjacent. It is not opposite. This is adjacent angle. So how we will prove this? Now proving is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. That property, this previous property is also known as angle sum property or sum of interior angle. You can write angle sum property. You can write also sum of interior angle. Now this is equation 1. You can name this equation 1. Now angle 2 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree. Second equation. Why I am writing here? Because of linear pair. This is linear pair. Angle 2 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree. As these two are similar, so from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to angle 2 plus angle 4. This 2 will be cancelled out, angle, these two similar, it will become here, it will be negative. So plus minus minus, so we are cancelling them. There angle 4 equals to angle 1 plus angle 3. Hence proof. Exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angles. Now we will do one question. It is a very important question. The question is, in a triangle ABC, the bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at a point O. Prove that angle BOC equals to 90 degree plus half angle A. We have to prove this. The question is, in a triangle ABC, we will draw a triangle ABC here, or I draw it little bigger. ABC. This is a triangle ABC. The bisector of angle B. The bisector of angle B and angle C. B and angle C intersect each other at point O. At point O. These points will intersect at point O. Now, what we have to prove? We have to prove BOC. This angle is equals to 90 degree plus half of angle A. 90 degree plus half of angle A. So how we will prove? Look here. Solution. You can write angle OBC equals to half of angle B. We can write this. Why we are writing? Because OB is the bisector of angle B. It is given to us that the bisector of angle B, OB is the bisector of angle B. In the similar way, angle OCB equals to half of angle C. You can write OC is the bisector of angle C. Now, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. You can divide both the side by 2. Dividing both the sides by 2. Why we are dividing this? After dividing, we will get a upon 2, b upon 2 and b upon c. The value of b upon 2 and b upon c is here. We can use this. Angle A plus angle half equals to 180 upon 2. It will be 90 degree. It will be 90 degree. Now, this will be in place of OBC. We will put the value here, or what we can do, angle OBC plus angle OCB equals to 90 minus angle A upon 2. Why I am writing A upon 2? Minus. We have taken this A upon 2 here. Its sign will be changed. It will be, the negative sign will come. Now, this is first equation. Second is in triangle OBC. I am talking about triangle OBC. In triangle, angle OBC plus angle BOC plus angle OCB equals to 180 degree. The angle OBC and OC, we know that the value of OBC and OCB equals to 90 minus half of angle A. Angle BOC plus 90 minus half of angle A equals to 180 degree. What we have to prove, I will write here. This BOC equals to 90 plus half of angle A. Space is less. Now, angle BOC will shift here, 180 minus 90 plus angle A upon 2. This will be 180 minus 90. It will be 90 plus angle A upon 2. Angle BOC equals to 90 plus half of it. This we have to prove. So students, that's all for this video. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.